Let's do the Anupallavi of the Bhupala. Sada Shweta Kalpa Sada Pare. It actually that's this swaram. Pa sa sa re Sada Shweta Kalpa Vriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoham Saranagata Devata Samoham. Let's repeat the first two lines of the Anupallavi. Sada Shrita Kalpavriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samuham. With the tada, it goes like this. Sada Shrita Kalpavriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoha Sada Shrita Kalpa Vriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoha. That is the first Sangati. For the second Sangati, we can take a little of a variation like Sada Shrita Sada. The initial Sangati is Sada, very very plain notes. For the second Sangati, we are just taking a little of a Sangati. Sada Sada Shrita Kalpa Vriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoham. Right? Let's do the second half of the Anupallavi, which goes like this. Mudabja Krita Nama Deyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham Sada Shrita Kalpavriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoham Mudabja Krita Namadeyavaham Mudabja Krita Namadeyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham. When actually do it, it goes little fast. Mudabja Krita Namadeyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham Mudabja Krita Namadeyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham Sada. It goes like that. Let's do the Anupallavi once again. Sada Shrita Kalpavriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoha Sada Shrita Kalpavriksha Samuham Saranagata Devata Samoham Mudabja Krita Namadeyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham Mudabja Krita Namadeyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham Sada Chaleshwaro Bhavaye This is the Anupallavi. Hope many of you have got an idea of what Bhupala is about and why I'm doing it as slow as I can is very simple. The reason is very very simple because Bhopal has got a beauty in these particular swaras, and when you do this Tehrao and when you stop it, Sada Jayeda. This kind of Sangati is actually a little Hindustani style, they are not Carnatic purely. But then this Hindustani style added style gives the beauty and the essence of the raga. Let's do the Charanam. Please note down the Charana's lyrics. Chamatkar Bhupaladi प्रसाद करुण निपुण महालिंगम चमत्कार भूपालादि प्रसाद करुण निपुण महालिंगम छाया रहित दीपा प्रकाश गर्भगृह मध्य रंगम समस्त दुखादि हेतुभूत संसार सागर भय भंगम शमद मोह वृत्त्यादि संयोत साधु जन हृदय सरसिज भृंगम. It sounds little difficult, but it is not when you actually start singing the kriti. Let's do the charanam. I'll repeat the lyrics once again because you have got a lot of bhangas and angas. So let's take the check the lyrics once again. Chamatkara bhupaladi prasada karuna nipuna mahalingam chaya rahita deepa prakasa garbha griha madhya rangam samasta dukkhadi hetu bhutha संसार सागर भय भंगम समद मोह वृत्त्यादि संयोत साधु जन हृदय सरसिज भृंगम. Let's do the charanam. You have another part of charanam as well, but let's do this first and then we'll get to the next part of the charanam. Chamatkar that's the sangati. Chama. If you slow down, that is the Ashwaram. The Chama Chamatkar Bhupaladi Prasada. We have to actually combine Bhupala Prasada. Chamatkar Bhupaladi prasada karuna nipuna mahalingam. Listen to it carefully. Chamatkar Bhupaladi prasada karuna nipuna mahalingam. Right? छाया रहित दीपा प्रकाश गर्भ गृह मध्य तुरंगम प्रकाश गर्भ गृह मध्य तुरंगम. Right? समस्त दुखादि हेतुभूत संसार सागर भय भंगम. Actually goes up. संसार सागर भय भंगम समद मोह वृत्त्यादि संयोत साधु जन हृदय सरसिज भृंगम. Let me do the second half once again. समस्त दुखादि हेतुभूत. You can also say that हेतुभूत संसार सागर भयभङ्गं शमदमोपवृत्त्यादि संयुत साधुजन हृदय सरसिजभृङ्गम्. Right, let me do this chamatkara till here, the whole charanam for you with the talam. Here we go. Chamatkara bhupaladi prasada garala nipuna mahalingam. Chamatkara bhupaladi prasada गरल निपुण महालिंगम छायारहित दीप प्रकाश गर्भ गृहमध्यरंगम छायारहित दीप प्रकाश गर्भ गृहमध्यरंगम समस्त दुःखादि हेतुभूत संसार सागर भयभङ्गं समदमोपवृत्त्यादि संयुत साधुजन हृदय सरसिजभृङ्गम्. Right? Let's take down. We have 4 more lines in the charanam. Please don't doubt the lyrics. Kamala Vijayakara Vidhrita Kurangam Karunarasa Sudha Navatarangam Kamalesha Vinuta Vrashabha Turangam Kamala Vadana Guru Guhantarangam. Let's do the lyrics of that. Let's do the sangatis of this. This actually goes a little faster. Sagara bhayabhangam. To give the connectivity, I'm just connecting the first half of the charan. Samada mopavrityadi samyuta sadhujana hridaya sarasijabhrangam. Kamala Vijayakara Vidhrita Kurangam Karunarasa Sudha Navatarangam Karunarasa Sudha Navatarangam Kamalesha Vinuta Vrashabhaturangam Kamalavadana Guru Guhatarangam. Actually goes like this. Chamatkara bhupaladi prasada karala nipuna mahalingam छायारहित दीप प्रकाश गर्भ गृहमध्यरंगम समस्त दुःखादि हेतुभूत संसार सागर भयभङ्गम समदमोहवृत्त्यादि संयुत साधुजन हृदय सरसिजभृङ्गं कमल विजयकर वृदत तुरंगम. It actually goes in the pi column. Kamala Vijayakara Vidhrita Turangam. Let me slow down. Kamala Vijayakara Vidhrita Turangam Karuna Rasa Sudha Navatarangam. It goes even more faster when we render the kriti. Kamala Vijayakara Vidhrita Turangam Karuna Rasa Sudha Navatarangam. Kamala Vijayakara Vidhrita Turangam Karuna Rasa Sudha Navatarangam. Kamalesha कमलेश विनुत वृषभतुरङ्गं कमलनयन गुरुगुहान्तरङ्गं कमलविजयकरं विधृततुरङ्गं करुणारससुधानवतरङ्गं कमलेश विनुत वृषभतुरङ्गं कमलनयन गुरुगुहान्तरङ्गं सदा चलेश्वरो भावयेऽहं चमत्कारपूरयेऽहं गिरिजामोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो भावयेऽहं This is a Bhupala Ragam. I know this is a little complicated, Kriti. Charanam actually goes in a column and pi column, but if you really listen to it carefully and get the note right, it's not really difficult to do the Dikshitar composition. Sadachaleshwaram in Bhupala.